Imagine earning $1,000 within an hour. This is possible using Google Translate and your email account. Today, I'm going to tell you all about this unique new strategy that can make you thousands of dollars, so pay close attention to make a lot of money online. You can do it as a complete beginner. You don't need a website, you don't need a camera, and you don't need to have any technical skills at all. I'm going to reveal a simple 4-step process that you can use to generate money, and you can do this over and over again. And once it is set up, all you need is your mobile phone and you'll be able to replicate this and make passive income forever. But before I continue, my name is Rachel. I love teaching people how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you can start making things happen. Like I said earlier, there are 4 steps to make money online with this strategy. The first step requires you to go to Google Translate. As we all know, a lot of stuff that we look for online is English-based. So when I search for things like how to make money online, Google Translate will translate it from English to German. Let's say we type in best ways to make money online. Now there are people that write articles in different countries that we would never see because they are designed for specific countries, but the methods could be unbelievable. All you need to do is copy this translation over here and then you come over to Google and paste this translation. Click on enter and it's going to give you different searches in German. You can also do this in Spanish, in Hindi, Finnish, and any country around the world. So what you want to do now is scroll down and find 4 different ways that people have written about how to make money online. Let's say you want to click onto this one over here, for example, and when you click on this, you're going to see that this has been written in a different language. And on your computer, you're going to have this little symbol over here that's going to allow you to translate this article into English. As you can see now, I have translated this and it is the entire article. I can tell you how many awesome sites I've found for people around the world that show me these different ways to make money online in different countries. So that's the first step. We're going to need this article to get free traffic at the end of this video, so make sure you keep watching. From here, we go to step 2. What we need is an offer. Now, when we are looking at offers, there are a few sites that you can use, and one of those sites is clickbank.com or Digistore24. For this video, I'm going to use clickbank.com. So for those of you that don't know what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate marketplace where people promote their products and you can promote their products to earn commissions. If they're selling a product for $1,000, they can pay you up to 50%, and you can earn hundreds of dollars for promoting different types of products. As you know, I'm in the make money online niche, so I'm going to show you products that you can promote using free traffic. Like I keep saying, no technical skills are needed. You can make money online utilizing your Gmail account, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. So when you scroll down here, you can come over to e-business and e-marketing. And once you come over to e-business and e-marketing, it's all about finding a product that you want to promote. So you can scroll down here and you can see that there are several different products. This entire process is only going to take you anything from 10 to 30 minutes to set up, and you'll continue to make passive income over and over again. When you scroll down here, there is a whole range of different types of products. If you don't find anything on the first page, you can always come over to the second page. They've got pages and pages of these different types of stuff. What we're going to be using today is the one that pays a lot of money for every single sale that you get. All you need to do here is click on Promote and click on Generate a hop link for yourself. So click on this one and I'll show you a super simple way to get free traffic and make sales consistently over and over again. So pay close attention. Simply copy this link, and from here I want to show you how you can do this on autopilot. So we now have a way that people can make money online. We have an offer that we can promote. Now what you need is to set up your Gmail account. So for step 3, what you need to do is you need to come over to Gmail and set up a new account. I'll show you how you can set this up and walk away, and you'll never have to respond to anybody. You don't need any conversation with anybody. You don't need a website. You don't need a camera. Once you set up a Gmail account, just come over to your settings and then it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. Scroll down to the bottom where it says Vacation Responder. This is where the automation stuff comes in. Let me show you exactly what this looks like. What I've done here is I have set this up to save free training to make money from home. And I added this. If you want to learn a proven system of affiliate marketing that can work worldwide, click on this link and take the free training. And then there is a link that I've included here. What I did was that I head over to a site called bit.ly.com, I pasted that link that I got from ClickBank and shortened it using bit.ly, and all I need to do is copy the shortened link, come back over to my Gmail account and paste it here. What happens with this auto reply or vacation responder is anytime somebody emails you through this email address, they're going to get an out-of-office reply, which means you don't need to sit there replying to people. This email will automatically send to anybody that emails you with this title and with this email, which contains a link. It's a fantastic way to make money online on autopilot with affiliate marketing utilizing your Gmail account. Now that we've got an email account set up, we've got a product, we've got what we want to use, now I'm going to show you how you can get free traffic and not get any of your links banned or removed in any way. So for step 4, all you need to do is come over to a site called Quora.com. Now let me show you how you can do this without getting any of your links removed. Let's say you go to the search bar and type in best ways to make money online, and it's going to show you a lot of these different types of answers. Now from here you can scroll down here and click on past hour, and this will show you the latest questions that have been posted here, so that you can reply to a lot of different types of questions that are already here. As you can see, people are asking what is the best way to earn money online, or how do I earn money online from home using the internet, and more. And then what you want to do is click on that, and it's going to give you the option over here to reply to this answer. And because this is the most recent, a lot of people will see this, and they will see your responses for a very long time, and I'll show you proof of that later. What you want to do now is you want to answer this question, and once you click here, it's going to bring you to this page where you'll be able to reply. Now this is where this article comes into play. You want to use this article to answer a lot of these different types of questions. I just want to show you exactly how I did this. So I came over here and I answered this question, and as you can see here, I simply came over here and copied this article. Sometimes you need to play around with it. You want to copy and paste. Once I finished pasting this for me to make money online, what I did at the start of this answer was I wrote this in here. I'll show you a few ways how to make money online, and also if you're interested, I can show you a method I found that has a free training to make $500 to $1,000. Just email me. And I simply put my email address over here. So when they email you, they're going to get this automatic response back to their email, and you'll be surprised with how much people would email you because of your answer. And the best part is, no one else will find these answers because I'm using countries from around the world to get answers. It's an incredible strategy, and you can come over here and answer so many different types of questions. Do you want to learn how you can earn $55 per click? Then click here.